This quick video, forgot to show you when I got it. I've got an LED torch, blue, won't be able to see it. I'll take it inside later and do them very bright in the dark. You can only go on the left side of the gun, so you just, it's weird. It's hard to do this because I'm holding the camera at the same time. Let's put this on, like that. So, people with dark building, just walk in it, light it up, he'll really light it up. Got about 5 meter room, he'll light a lot of it up. So just point anywhere and then I'm gonna take it off. Just slide it anyway. Got it. Takes 3, I don't know what those batteries are, but if you could tell me, take off, show you. Oops. 3 of those batteries, I'm not sure what they're called, but it came with it. It has a laser sight on it, but that got deactivated because it was too dangerous. You could blind somebody with it, anything, because this is a small video, might as well make it long by putting some bullets in my gun. Take this off. About 11 bullets. Come on. It's taking a while. Oh, I was a bit too many. So I'll just quickly load my gun. You'll be able to hear me talking. Load it very quickly. As fast as I can. Then slow. Slow. Nearly done. There you go. Put it. What's my gun? It took me like a minute. It took me a while. I think let's get to work. Number 3 bullets are still there from the last video. Get to work. Nope. Nearly hit the bullet back. Yep. Nope. Got 1 out of 3. 2 out of 4. Doing okay. Nope. Better idea. Let's go to the very back. It's far. If I can get this, I will be very happy. Let's do it. Oh! Inches. Inches again. So close. Very close. Probably out of ammo in a minute. Check my ammo. I've got 1 or 2 shots left. Got it. Oh yeah. Got it. I think I've got nothing left, but nothing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, anything. They're the 2 bullets I got from very far away. Did okay. 6 out of the 11 got. Rate, subscribe, and you'll get a free LED torch. Not really, but this is one good gun. It's only cheap, 10 quid. No, let me think. No, it was 7 quid. 7 quid. Nice deal. LED torch. Very accurate. From the range I've been doing it at. Only pistol. Very accurate. Can't stress that. Very nice.